Today we're going to open up our summer bundle from Bundles and Buzz. And the girls are going to help us out here to see what's inside. Okay, what's that? I'll have to grab it from her. We have Sunstick. A Snack Wrap-It. We'll just lay this stuff out. Is that good, Laura? Ooh, Mom's Kisses. We'll be checking all this stuff out in detail a little bit later. Bugs Lock. Deep Free. Bug Be Gone. Definitely. Eco Parent. Ooh. Some straws, kiddos. Ooh, yeah. What else are you finding, Kaylin? Some coupons. Ooh, a cute little popsicle. Even pink one. You want to check that out? Oh, these are going to be for Dada. Shoe deodorizer. What else did you find?
What's this?
Ooh, some lip balm, beeswax lip balm. Some different coupons. Where are you going?
Where'd you go, sweetie? Here you go.
Were you just so excited? What else did you find? Is that all? Oh, in the sack.
And the sack.
What do you think about that? You want that one? Little Enviro sack?